Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying hard constraints, matching ports and alignment. Once done, match orbital planes and phase so you can intercept within a few orbits. You set a modest closing speed around 5 meters per second and switch to the simulator's relative velocity or docking HUD so you can see approach vectors. Aim to arrive behind or in front of the target on a near-parallel trajectory because that minimizes large lateral burns. Then start a controlled approach, using short pulses rather than long burns. You now focus on closing and matching. First, break in steps. Reduce range from kilometers to a few hundred meters using short, controlled burns so you avoid overshooting. Once under ~200 meters, switch mostly to RCS for fine translation and rotational control, because main engines are too coarse for this phase. Make incremental attitude trims to align the docking port and null out relative rotation. If you hold speed under 0.2 meters per second and attitude within a few degrees, you execute the last meters with precision. Creep forward at 1/10 to 1/2 meters per second, using tiny perpendicular corrections to stay centered. Extend the docking probe or alignment mechanism and watch for the soft contact or clamp indicator. Once it clicks, secure the connection and follow the game sequence to lock and retract as needed. If something binds or the ports refuse to mate, back off 5 to 10 meters. Re-zero both craft attitude and relative velocity, and reattempt more slowly to avoid scraping or bouncing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.